Colette Davis just invited us out to race service to go celebrate her new livery on her FC drift car. We decided we're gonna try and show up in Rotary style. Or attempt to show up at all, I guess. So we have 55 minutes, 45 miles, so decent traffic speed, all the way over to race service. That's nothing for a Rotary Corvette. Absolutely not a problem. Not a problem. Oh yeah. Okay, I got the blow-off valve swapped around because I realized Tile was like, hey, you have it backwards. And so it should be, oh yes, instead of compressor surging. Yeah, so much better. Just coming together perfectly. It's just stuttering. I still have no idea how much gas a tank is on this car, and we're gonna err on the side of caution. A rotary engine.
Oh, you guys were at LS Fest?
Yeah.
You guys got caught?
Yeah.
yeah, I saw that.
Yeah,
that was crazy.
You're literally, this is the first time we've had it out since LS Fest.
Right?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
She's still a little mad at all the things that we had to do.
How'd you guys end up getting busted?
You know, making all the videos with their event name in the title did us in. They were waiting for us. They trapped our ass.
Really?
Yeah. Damn it. Okay, I put 8 ounces of premix, so we only want to go to 8 ounces of gas, 8 gallons of gas. It's funny, I saw his truck said Mazda, and so I was like, oh, Mazda truck, he might know who we are. He didn't know who we were. I should have put another one in there. Oh, I can put another one in there. Because we got more. I would have laughed if it stopped right at 8:01, and I just put a whole thing in.
Oh, you talked way too soon, dude.
That's heavily lubricated Apex seals right there. I can't wait for the day where this car just like fires up and you just go, no like caveats. That's still the 3.4 gear, and that actually is not that bad. Not gonna win any races with it, but. Are blown.
Oh, there's some crap.
Turn off and then turn back on the key.
It's on now.
A good spot on that. I would have blown the engine. The ground wiggled loose.
The ground wiggled
loose? There's like
loose?
a master ground for the Corvette.
Oh,
and it wiggled loose. I just need to tighten it. How gross would it be if I got cut in half right now?
We love getting into a ridiculous amount of drama.
Let's go.
Yeah, before that.
Yeah. That's the last thing we need right now. You know he would have checked on us next.
Oh yeah, he was so about to come. Why is that a problem?
Hey, the car's insured fully. Good thing I saved the motor there. I noticed that the
Oh man, no, not this
okay,
one.
this one, yeah, this one. Jaret actually just saved me and the car and all of YouTube from blowing this motor to pieces. He looked at because it's nice that we have a digital gauge for the coolant temp, and it just kept climbing. Come to find out, the damn Corvette chassis ground, which honestly, I'm not going to blame it. It's probably me from hand tightening it and then just running through everything all at once. The ground ground for all the Corvette wires came loose. And so the fans weren't working. The oil temps send the coolant temps skyrocketing, and we have almost a massive man-made natural disaster. That's for downtown LA right there. That was for you. That's hilarious. What better timing?
You think she's in there with it? Or
In the car?
not in the car, in the snowshoe.
Yeah, she's riding on it. Even if you're into rotaries, like kinda, like why the hell is this Corvette following me? And all excited about this.
Oh, look at it, fucking RX-7. Hey! Look at that, another RX-7. Hey, do you know where we should park?
Is that a rotary event?
Yeah.
Make some space. Come on, Eric.
The 13B?
Yeah.
It's like a FD motor?
Yeah, I wanted to show that we could take a stock FD motor and make more torque in the whole power band than the LS6.
So you wanted to show us what?
I want to show you that this 13B, the stock 13B, can make more torque in the entire power band than an LS6. And we built it in like 2 weeks, like actual finish.
Nuts. The throttle bearing is
the clutch.
So the input shaft is that a
Still vet,
GM?
yeah.
It's a GM input shaft in a 13B.
Yeah.
What the fuck, dude?
Yeah.
I heard this thing rolling up. I'm like, okay, what the fuck? And then I was walking up, and everybody's like, oh, that's Rob Dahm and this fucking 13B vet. I'm like, yo, who? I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah. My language here.
No, you're good.
No, it's
PG
like,
YouTube.
oh,
This is
not my
great.
channel.
Yeah. Well, fuck this.
Yeah. Just so you know, when I opened the hood, I saw a little bit of FIRE. We're good though. Oh.
You saw it before.
Yeah, I saw it before.
V8.
I was like, that's a racer. That's a racer.
Exactly,
one.
racer.
I like it.
Old school.
So the best part about all three of them is they're all track cars.
That's awesome.
That's how we all met.
Oh. This is what bums me out. That's like the good Scoot hood.
No, it's not.
Well, it's the Viz or whatever, the wider
It's
one, right?
Group A.
They're local. Really?
Group
Oh yeah,
Group
Group
A
A
motoring.
motoring.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, okay, but I have the really narrow one.
the shine. I don't like to admit it, but I've watched a lot of your videos. But yeah, so I bought this from them, and then they gave me a super great discount because the hook latch bolt holes weren't perfect, so I had to modify the latch. And then it came with a carbon fiber rain cover.
Also, instead of
It's
plastic.
a plastic garbage one.
Screwdriver?
Okay.
We're in rotary heaven right now. I've never seen this in person. The Bozu pipes, where they come out like obnoxiously.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, this is actually really trendy.
Man, what is this? Want to get in there and dominate?
I would get my ass handed to me. So that's a quick summary of the race service place. I've never been here. It's pretty trendy. It's almost too trendy for me, but we are surrounded by all the rotaries. We're going to continue enjoying the evening and wait for Colette's drift car to show up, even though we were right behind it. We changed lanes and it disappeared. But until then, we'll continue enjoying the rotaries and go kick some ass in Mario Kart. That's not happening. It's not happening.